Hi guys, welcome to Tuko Bites. I'm Chef Rachel and today we'll be making fish fingers which are perfect for the kids, perfect for a weekend, perfect and simple. So let me take you through the ingredients and let's get started. So here I have 250 grams of fish fillet, garlic, black pepper and chili powder, which I'm using a half teaspoon, a lemon, I'll use half of it, 1 egg, salt, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and of course I have breadcrumbs to make the fish fingers. So I'm going to prep the fish. So I've washed it, so I'm going to pat out the extra water from the fish fillet using normal serviettes. So just slowly pat out like that and you'll see all the water out. I'm going to cut them into stripes. So I'm going to divide it into 3. I don't want them very long. I'm just going to cut them into stripes. So this is just my choice. You can decide to make them longer. So I'm going to put my fish in a bowl. I'm going to season to taste. I'm going to add in the flour, the chili powder. So I'm going to add in the garlic. So from here, I'm going to add in the egg and squeeze in half a lemon. So I'm going to mix everything together. So now the fish is ready. So we're going to move on to the next step. So it's the breadcrumbs. So I'm picking the fish one at a time. We add it to the breadcrumbs. So we'll do this to each one of them. So remember to do one at a time so that they can coat properly. So I'm done making the fish fillets. So I'll let them rest for 2 minutes as I preheat my pan with the vegetable oil, and then I'm going to show you what you're going to do next. So guys, my pan is nice and hot. So I'm going to add in the fish. They're yet to be fish fingers. So I'm going to add in the fish and we'll let them cook. So as you do this, because the oil is very hot, be careful. So we'll add in the fish and then we'll give it about 5 minutes. We'll let them cook. So guys, it's been 5 minutes. The fish fingers have cooked. They are golden brown. The color is perfect, what I wanted to achieve today. So I'm going to remove them from the oil and let them cool for about a minute or so, and then I show you how to serve them. So for me today, because I don't have any accompaniment, I've decided to serve mine with tartar sauce and some mayo and some lemon, just to add some extra flavor as I enjoy my fish fillet. So I'm going to serve them. So guys, fish fillet, fish fingers, the sauce, the lemon, they're all ready here. The plate looks so amazing. Hope you enjoyed spending time with me, and next time tell me what you'd like me to prepare and I'll definitely do it for you. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and leave a comment. I'll see you next time. I'm Chef Rachel. Bye.